Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by scaffolding the UI so logic sits on a clear surface. Create a Windows Forms app. Net in Visual Studio, then drop a single text box and a grid of buttons. Name controls meaningfully, TXT display for results and BTN 0 through BTN 9 for digits, plus BTN add, BTN sub, BTN mul, BTN div, BTN equal, and BTN clear. Once done, wire click events for the buttons. This first step prevents messy code later and makes event handlers predictable. Next, you implement input handling and operation flow so the calculator actually works. In Digit, click handlers append to TXT display, but guard against multiple leading zeros and duplicate decimals. When the user taps an operator, parse and store the left operand as a double and save the operator char, then clear the display for the right operand. For equals, parse the second operand, use a switch on the operator to compute with plus, asterisk, slash, and update TXT display. This separation keeps state clear and to finish, refine formatting and guard against errors so your app feels polished. Implement BTN clear and a backspace. Enforce divide by zero checks and return a friendly message or reset state. Format numbers with toString, G15, or a fixed decimal format to avoid floating noise. Once done, run thorough tests, multiple consecutive operators, negative values, and long inputs. If something goes wrong, first check operator state and operand parsing. Most bugs live in empty or reuse state variables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.